Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you facing issue with your tabby card being blocked? Don't worry, in this video I will guide you through the step to unlock your tabby card and regain access to your funds. Your tabby card might be blocked due to several reasons such as overdue payment, insufficient credit limit, or if you haven't paid for your first purchase. Let's explore how to resolve these issues. First, check out the overdue payments. First, ensure you don't have any overdue payment. Log into your Tabby app, check your payment history, and clear any pending dues. Once you have made the necessary payment, your card should be unblocked. Verify card credit limit. If your credit limit is insufficient, consider making a smaller purchase or contact Tabby support to discuss the possible limits adjustments. Contact Tabby support if you none of this above step work. It's time to reach out the Tabby's customer support. They can assist you to resolving any technical issues, to provide any additional guidance or unlocking your card. And that's it. By following this simple step, you should be able to unlock your Tabby card and continue using it seamlessly. If you have any more question and need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.